Since we started our interior design portfolios today in class, I want to show you how to copy-paste examples from the internet into your Google Doc. Here we have our first principle that we talked about today, asymmetrical balance. I have the title, the picture, and the URL link where I found it. So you go ahead and type in your title as I've done right here. Then you will do a Google search, and since symmetrical balance, we just need to get rid of that one letter. We'll do that. We hit enter, and then we look for a good example, one that you like. Okay, right here. This is a good example. So you can right click on the picture, left click on copy image, come into your Google Doc, right click, and paste it in. And then you can do the same. You can click on the URL, right click, copy, come on in here, right click, and paste.